Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to create a toggle button using React application. Toggle button means I will show you how button can show on and off. So now you can click, it will become off. If you click, it will become on. Let me explain a project structure to you. Consider that I want to create a React project. And remember what is the rule? Whenever we are creating a React project, my React project name must be in lowercase. And in this project, node_modules folder will come automatically, which is storing all the modules of Node.js and dependencies. Then we have a public folder. In this public folder, we have favorite icon, index.html, nothing but our main template of React. Then we have manifest.json file, which holding metadata of a React application. Then we have a src folder, and in src folder we have app.css file, app.js file, app.test.js file, that is for testing purpose. So app.js file is a parent component, and even we have index.css and index.js, and index.js is an entry point of React component. Then we have logo.svg, nothing but React logo. We have package.json file, which contains libraries, dependencies along with the versions. Last we have readme file. So this project structure will be created automatically whenever I am creating a React project. So what is my first step? My first step is I want to create a React projects folder inside any drive. Let me go to any drive of my computer. So I want to go to D drive. In the D drive, I want to create one folder. Let's say React projects. Now let me go inside this. So you can see I'm inside this React projects folder. So now I need to open the command prompt from React projects folder. So I need to click beside this, I need to remove, then I need to type cmd. So let me maximize. Now you can see I'm inside React projects folder. So then after that, now develop a toggle app project using npm command. So see this, how to create a React project. You need to use create React app. Then I need to type name of my project, toggle app. Remember, you should have space. Then you need to do enter. So once if you enter, it will take little time to create a project. So you need to be in the process. Let it create a new project. So you can see here it's creating a new project, and it is installing the React DOM, React scripts. So it will take little time to create the project. Now you can see here it's showing happy hacking. It means your project is created successfully. Now what is the next step? Now we need to open a project in a Visual Studio Code editor. Remember, I already installed a Visual Studio Code editor in my computer. So what you need to do, you need to go to the same location. You can clear also CLS. You can type here code space dot enter. Whenever we type code space dot, remember, from this folder, from this directory, your Visual Studio Code will get started. So you need to wait here. It is starting the Visual Studio Code. You can see here. Now you can see here my Visual Studio Code opened. So let me close this. And the left side you can see there is a one folder is created, toggle app. If you expand this folder, you can find a node underscore modules public folder src. So we never change anything in a public folder. So we need to go to src. Remember, I want to write the logic in app.js file. Just open app.js file. You just double click. app.js file will open. So what we need to do, we need to remove this code permanently, because I want to write the code manually. So let me remove this, and we need to do save. So now we need to create a toggle button for React. Remember, to do on and off toggle button, we required a state. So state we cannot declare in function component directly. So we need to use a class component. So you can click this one, Explorer. Just click on Explorer. Your screen will become big. Now what I will do, I will create one class. Class name is app extends with a component class. Component we need to write. Component. So component is present in React package. So we need to import C capital letter. Remember, component from React. Semicolon is not mandatory. You can write double quotation, single quotation, no problem. So you can see here I created one class component. Now what I need to declare, I need to declare a state first. I want to declare a state. So what I will do, I will take flag value. I will take one variable called flag, and inside this flag I will keep off. It's a default value of state now. So what I should do, when we are working with class component, compulsory we should write render method. And render method is having return keyword. In the return only we need to return the what here. Any element we can return. For example, I want to create a button. I am telling button. I created one button. To this button, we need to print something. So before return statement, I need to declare one variable called title. And what I want to declare here is this dot state dot flag. I want to use ternary operator question mark. So you can make it on. If available, you can make it on. If condition fails, you can display off. So that title I want to take here. So let me take title. So whatever the title is there here. So first it will check for the condition. Condition means that value is available. So it will return true. True means here output will come on. So what we need to do now, we need to run this project. Remember, to run this project, we need to move, or we can say shift to toggle app project, because if you see the command prompt, we are in React projects folder. So we cannot run the project directly from this folder. So we need to jump into our project. So you need to type cd toggle app, you need to type. Now we are inside toggle app. Then you need to write npm start. Whenever you type npm start, React project runs. So you need to wait here. It will take few seconds to run our project. And remember, React project runs under development server with the port number 3000. So that is the port number of React. And once the development server starts, automatically output will be displayed on the browser. So you can keep some patience. You can see it is getting executed. So now you can see it is still executing the project. Wait for few seconds. And now you can see development server started. You need to be in the meeting, you need to wait, don't do anything, don't click anything. Now what happened, you know, automatically one browser will open and your React application will run. So now you can see it is working under localhost 3000 port number. But in this application you will get error, guys. Why? Because we need to do, whenever we declare a component, we need to export default app. We should write this line. And now we'll check the output. Now you can see there is an on button is there. But if I click, there is no changes in the button. So what I should do, for this button, I will create one event. An event we should write in camel case, on click. And I am telling this dot handle click. Remember, this is my event name, my event function name. And whenever we are working with class component, we need to use this keyword. So immediately I need to declare that event. So how to declare in a class component? Handle click is equal to anonymous function I want to declare. Now I want to use this dot set state method for changing the state value. And here we should write flower bracket flag. I am telling not this dot state dot flag. So now what happens, you know, this set state will check the flag value is on or off, and based on that they will set the what here title. So now you go there in the browser. So now you can click, it will become off. If you click, it will become on. So this is how we can create a toggle button. And you can see in the notes I gave you how to move to the toggle app project, how to run the project, and how to test the project by using this URL.